Welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. My name's Dee. I'm so glad that you've joined me here today. I hope that you're well. I know that the weather has been horrible all over the country. I hope that you are staying warm and staying safe. And if you're in an area that was getting snow in the cold and you're not particularly used to it, I also want to send my heart out to those people in California who are being affected by the fire. Sure, that's just terrible. I couldn't even imagine having to deal with something like that. So I want to just let everybody know that regardless of either of those situations, you're in my thoughts and prayers, and hopefully everything will be over soon. So today we're going to look at a couple of diamond paintings that I got from Temu. I shop at Temu a lot. It's not exclusively where I shop from, but most of my diamond paintings do come from Temu. We're going to try to take a little break from the cold, wintry weather that we've all been experiencing and look towards something a little more summery. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and open our first diamond painting for today. This is a 30 by 30. Of course, it comes with your basic starter kit, your tray, your plate of wax, and your diamond painting pen. These are sunflowers. I love sunflowers. At one point in time, I had a room in my house just all done in sunflowers, and I think they're so pretty. They're so bright and cheerful and summery, and there's just nothing not to love about them. Plus, they give you food by the means of their sunflower seeds, so it's a win-win all the way around with the sunflower. So this has 20 different drill colors. This is a little wrinkly, so I don't know how well you can see. But there is a vase with sunflowers in it. And there's some sunflowers there beside it. And I think this is going to be very pretty. I think it's going to be very summery and bright with the yellow and the oranges. Let's see if we could take a look at the drills. I'm also looking over this, and it doesn't look too bad. I hate when the drills the colors are similar, the symbols, like you have an I next to a J or something like that. And this looks like it's pretty separated, so there's not going to be a lot of difficulty with knowing where to put your drills down. So here's the drills. There's 20 of them. Look at the bright yellows and the oranges and the browns. This is going to be very nice and warm colored. It makes you think of summer with all the warm colors, and that's what this is going to be. So the next diamond painting I'm going to show you today is also in the family of flowers. I like flowers. I do buy a lot of diamond paintings that are flowers. That's just my thing. And this is also going to be a 30 by 30. And it comes with, just like the others, the basic tray, the plate of wax, the diamond painting pen. See if we can get some of these folds out. This has 23 colors. And mostly it looks like they're shades of purple. These are pansies, of course. It looks like they're in a little teacup with a saucer underneath the teacup. And these are all different shades of purple. Purple is my favorite color, so I was immediately drawn to this. And there's some pinks in there too. Pink is my second favorite color. And this just, when I see pansies, I think of walking by people's houses and they have pansies in the yard. And again, in the summertime, I am really so over winter at this point in time. I am more than ready for spring to come along with the flowers and have that lead us into summer. Hopefully we have a nice summer. I don't like it when it gets too hot. I don't like it when it gets too cold. I guess I'm hard to satisfy. But no, I'm satisfied. You give me 70 degrees, I'm perfectly happy. So this is a 30 by 30, as I mentioned. And let's take a look at the drills. The lip doesn't want to come off there. There we go. So 23 colors here. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but I just going to show the main ones. Like, look at how bright and shiny that purple is. And then there's another shade of purple. And pink, it's like a hot pink. And there's a light, what I would think of as like a baby pink. And a very pastel pink. Some more that's kind of a lavender. And you've got some oranges, and it actually has quite a few colors, because not only do you have the flowers, but you have the colors that are in the teacup and in the saucer. So this is going to be colorful, but it is definitely predominantly going to be in the purple and pink family, which I can't wait to see it completed. So that is all that I have for you this week. I'm so glad that you came to join me. Please go ahead and leave comments down below. I'm thinking about doing another video of just the diamond paintings I've completed. Let me know if you'd like to see that. I want to ask you to please subscribe and like the video, share it with your friends, and sign up, hit that notification bell so you know when I put out new content. I do try to put out a video at least once a week. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a blessed week, and I hope that we get together again real soon. Bye-bye.